I used to take it personally, now I take it in stride. I got nothing against no one, I wouldn't hurt a fly. But people seem to think I'm mean, and here's why, here's why. I'm a pit bull, a big brown red-nosed pit bull, a tooth-bearing muscle-bound pit bull. I look like I could tear the steel off a locomotive freight train. People park 3 spaces